So what I'm going to show you next is how to do a fishtail plait. And to do this, you just need 2 sections of hair instead of 3. Again, make sure they're equal. And you use your index finger, which I find easiest, take a small section from one side and add it into the other side. So we're still only keeping 2 sections, but taking a small piece of hair from one side across the top and adding it into the other side. And same again, small piece of hair from one side, cross over the top and add it into the other side. Make sure you hold the hair quite tight so it doesn't go too loose. But you just repeat this step the whole way down just by taking small sections from one side into the other piece. And once you get to the bottom, just use a hair bubble to secure it. And that's how to create a fishtail plait.